Well, some people across the state line will soon be able to experience hospital care in the comfort of their own homes. OSF Saint Anthony Medical Center preparing to launch a digital hospital option. Taylor Castro spoke with members of that team. And Taylor, what can patients expect?
Tom, this program was launched down in Peoria about a year and a half ago. The care team will be screening patients who are over 18 based on how close they live to the hospital, insurance coverage, and clinical and social test results. It could be an option to reduce stress both for patients and nurses.
Patients enjoy being in their home space, being nearby their pets, their loved ones. They can control their visitor volume and flow. And they have, the comforts of home, like their bed or their favorite recliner.
In early 2024, OSF Saint Anthony Medical Center in Rockford will launch their digital hospital. Whether it's a video call or an x-ray, nurses are training to care for patients in the comfort of their home.
One thing a positive that has come out of COVID is that we have thought about healthcare delivery and models of care much differently. And it's also opened up not only our eyes, but also patients' eyes to the ability to care for patients virtually and the role that digital care can actually play in their lives.
There's a minimum of 2 in-person visits from a nurse each day. Nurses from the program in Peoria say it also helps them manage burnout.
In any sort of home care setting, even when you're just driving between patients, that's a break, like that's downtime where you can let your brain rest.
There's a tablet, internet connection, and backup power source to connect the patient to their care team without being in a hospital setting.
There's not buzzers going off, and there's not 5 patients waiting for them, and there's not a med pass that's past due. And so this really gives nurses the opportunity to be able to sit down and focus one-on-one and speak with their patients and get to know them a little bit and how is their health relevant to them.
As technology continues to advance, so is the healthcare field.
The more we can do to make patients comfortable and get good rest, the faster that they'll heal. It's not the care itself that's different, but it's the logistics and the way that we get there.
OSF is recruiting nurses ahead of the launch in Rockford. You can find more information on our website, mystateline.com. Tom?
All right, Taylor, thank you.